In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. So let's get started. It's important to keep characters consistent in creative projects like storybooks, animations, or AI influencer Instagram pages. But it can be hard with AI tools that give different facial features each time. Luckily, Leonardo AI makes it easy to create similar looking characters effortlessly. First, open any web browser and go to leonardo.ai website. Just log in to your account. Now on the home page, in the left panel, click AI image generation. Just enter the prompt as per your needs to generate the character. Now select model type, number of images, image dimensions, and hit generate. And now this has generated our character design. Now above our design, you will find three dots. Just click on it. From the available options, click copy seed. Now seed is a number to initialize the image generation process for any newly created image. Once the image is generated, a new seed number is attached to it that contains information about the style and data that was used to get the image output. Now open Notepad and paste this seed number. Next, we are going to copy the prompt as well. To do that, just click plus icon and copy the entire prompt. Paste this as well in our notepad. Now in the left panel, scroll down and click Show Advanced Settings. Now enable the toggle switch next to Use Fixed Seed. Enter our seed number that we copied earlier. Now make some changes like dressing style or anything as per your needs in our prompt. Now paste this prompt and try to generate another design. You will find that newly generated character in the image will be identical to the previous one, except the changes mentioned in the prompt like dressing style in our case. So that way you can create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.